I worked on this aeroplane in 1988. My kids were, youngsters. They grew up with this aeroplane. It came into the hands of, the present owners, and I got the opportunity to fly it. So really, for me, it was quite unique to have worked on it and, and flown it. Very, very grateful to have flown it. It's been a great privilege. And every time you fly it, it's not the first time, so there's always a little bit of trepidation. But you come to a point now, I'm 73, and it's time to slow down a bit really. These are still the Formula One aeroplanes of the sky. I wouldn't be driving a Formula One racing car or motorcycle at my age, so why do I really need to carry on with this now? It's probably the best time to, to quit.
Clive, mellowed with age, I think is the term. He's a good pair of hands. I don't think Clive will ever put his feet up and have nothing to do. He's not going to be an armchair and TV sort of person. Clive and pilots are characters. Aircraft are characters. You build up a bond pure and simply because you get to know all those little idiosyncrasies and learn to live with them. It's a bit like getting married, really.
You can't let the emotions get on top of you. You've got to concentrate on the job. That comes later, in the bar, after several pints. Ended on a good note, so got the flaps up at the end of the runway, taxied back in, and then I get the control tower saying to me, it's been a privilege to work with you, etc, etc, and the fire crew out there with all the lights going. It was just marvellous. And then Max popped up, and that kind of made my day.
I think he shouldn't have given up. I think he should have carried on still with it, but it's his decision. I do like Hurricanes more than Spitfires for some reason. It's just, they're really good airplanes. So. Yeah, I do like it because all my friends, sometimes they don't believe me. It makes me feel like I'm in World War II, the Battle of Britain.
This door's closed now, right? But another door's going to open maybe next week. There's always something else to do.
Never stop him.
Never stop. Never stop.